Hi, welcome to CookerKing's Corner Fair live channel. This is your host, Sarah. During this live show, I will introduce this pressed aluminum cookware to you. The name of this collection is the Cream Collection. Yeah, as you can see, the color of this series is cream. And this series is very popular in USA market. So if you want to know more information about this series, please contact with us. And in this series, we do have a frying pan, a Saute Pan, a Saucepan, and a casserole. As you can see, for these three pans with the lid, they are matched with aluminum lid. So I will tell you more details about each pan one by one. Okay, in this cream series, we do have a casserole. The size of the casserole is 22 centimeters. As you can see, inside the casserole, the coating is the ceramic coating from Whitford. Yeah, because for this series, we always match it with the ceramic coating. Of course, if you don't need the ceramic coating, you can also match it with the non-stick coating, granite coating, or marble coating. It's all up to you. And you could choose any coating brands because we have all the license and connections with all the coating brands. Yeah. So for the outside, just as the name indicates, it is cream. Yeah. And it looks very good and elegant. If you don't like this color, you just need to tell us the pan tool number you need or provide the color sample to us. We could do the other coating colors for you. And for the bottom, it is with the dot induction bottom. It means it could be used on any cooktops. And if you don't need the induction bottom, you could also choose the city bottom. Okay. If you want to put your logo on the cookware, you could emboss the logo here on the bottom or have the lesser logo on the body. Yeah. Also, you can stack print the logo on the lid. Speaking to the lid, in this series, it is matched with aluminum lid. Yeah. And the thickness of the aluminum is 3 mm for the lid. For the body, the thickness is for the lid, the thickness is 2 mm. For the body, the thickness is 3 mm. And you can see the ears and the knob. They are the silicone part with the stainless steel part. Yes, it makes this series more beautiful. But if you don't like the design, you could change them to other different designs. Even you can change the material when you need the black backlight, ears or knob, or stainless steel, the pure stainless steel ears and knob, they are also available. In this series, we also have a saucepan. The size of the saucepan is 16 centimeters. Yeah. And as you can see, the same as the casseroles in the coating, it is also ceramic coating inside from Whitford. But if you don't need the ceramic coating, you could choose the non-stick coating, granite coating, or marble coating as you need. And for the outside coating, you can see it's cream, just like the series name indicated, cream outside. It's very beautiful and it makes this series more elegant. But if you don't need this color, you can change to any other colors you like. You just need to tell us the pan tool number or provide us the color sample. Yeah. And for the bottom, as you can see, it is with the dot induction. It means it can be used on any cooktop, including the ceramic, induction, gas, or halogen. Yeah. And if you don't need it use on the induction, you can choose the city bottom, which will be more economic. And if you want to put your logo on the cookware, you can choose the embossed logo on the bottom, or the laser logo on the body, or the silk print logo on the lid. Okay, back to the lid. You can see it is the aluminum lid, yes. And the thickness of the lid is 2 mm, and the thickness of the body is 3 mm. As you can see, there are 3 vents here, yeah. 3 vents, and the vents are with painting inside, so don't worry about it if you have any worries. For the knob and the handle, as you can see, it's with the backlight handle with the stainless steel parts, yes. And for the knob, it's the stainless steel part with the silicone part. And if you don't like the design of the handle or the knob, you can change them to any other designs. Even you can change the outside finish, or you can change to the stainless steel handle or the cast steel handle, which will be more beautiful if your budget is not limited. Okay. Here is also a frying pan. The size of the frying pan in this collection is 26 centimeters. Yes, and just the same as the casserole and the saucepan. The inner coating is the ceramic coating. We always use ceramic coating for this collection, and if you don't want it, you can change it to non-stick coating, granite coating, or marble coating as you need. Yeah, and also you can choose any coating brands. So we have all the license and connection with all the coating brands. For the outside coating, it's the cream coating, just as the series name cream series indicated. Yeah. And it is very beautiful, and it make this whole series elegant for this color. And if you don't like this color, you can change it to any other colors you need. You just need to tell us the Pantone number or provide us the color sample. Any colors are available in our factory. Yeah. For the bottom, you can see it is with the dot induction bottom. It means you can put this frying pan on any cooktops like induction, ceramic, gas, halogen. If you just want to use it on the gas, you don't need to use it on the induction. You can do it with the city bottom, which will be more economic. Okay. If you want to put your brand on the cookware for advertisement, you can have the embossed logo on the bottom or the laser logo on the body. Also, you can put the silk printing logo on the handle. Okay, speaking to the handle, as you can see, it is the black backlight handle with stainless steel part, and the backlight part is with the soft touch. You can also change the outside finish to painting, to wooden soft touch, and also you can choose the original black backlight finish. Yeah, and if you don't like this handle design, you can change to any other handle shapes. Even you can change the material of the handle to stainless steel or to wood, yes, as you need. Okay. In fact, for this series, if your budget is not so limited, you can change it to stainless steel handle or to cast steel handle, which will make this series more beautiful. Okay, next I will tell you some details about this Saute Pan. The size of this one is 30 centimeters. And as you can see, the inner coating is very shiny and smooth. it's a ceramic coating inside. Of course, if you don't like the ceramic coating, you can also change it to non-stick coating or marble coating or granite coating. It's all up to you. And also you can change the color and the coating brands. We have all the license from all the coating factories. Yeah. So next, let's see the outside coating. It's the cream color. That's the reason why we call this series the cream series. It's very elegant and very beautiful. Of course, if you don't like this color, you can change it to any other colors. You just need to provide us the Pantone number or send us the color sample. Yeah. Okay, let's see the bottom. It's with dot induction. It means this Saute pan can be used on all the cooktops, including the ceramic, gas, electric or halogen, yes. And of course, if you don't need to use it on the induction cooktop, you can change it to city bottom, which will be more economic. Yeah. And if you want to put your logo on the cookware to show to your final customers, you can put it on the bottom, in the circle of the bottom with the embossed logo here. Also, you can put it, the laser logo on the body and also the laser logo or stack printing logo on the lid. Speaking to the lid for this Saute pan, we match it with the aluminum lid. Yes, the thickness of the bottom of the body is 3 mm and the thickness of the lid is 2 mm. Yeah, and the same as the body, the lid inside is the ceramic coating and outside is the heat-resistant lacquer. And you can see for the knob and the handle, they are all, yeah, for the knob, it's silicone with the stainless steel part, and for the handle, it's a black backlight with the soft touch and the iron part, yes. And of course, if you don't like these two spare parts, you can change it to any other design. Also, you can change it to the materials, to stainless steel, the total stainless steel or cast steel, which will be more beautiful on this pan. If you want to sell them in the supermarket or in the shop, you can pack them in the color box. For example, for the casserole with lid, you can pack them in the color box or color label or color sleeve with the shrink. For the frying pan, you can pack them in the color sleeve or color label, right? But if you want to sell them online, you have to pack them in the mailbox. You know, because the global situation, you know, the online shopping is more and more popular, not only just in China, but in the whole world. So if you are new in the online selling and you're not so familiar with the mailbox packing, we could give you some information about it, because the CookerKing has doing the online business in domestic market for more than 10 years. So if you have any questions about the package or the packing way, you could just contact with us, and we know how to pack them into the mailbox to guarantee the safety during the transportation. And you know, because for OEM, the MOQ is at least 1,000 pieces. And for some customers, they may just want to try a small quantity for the cookware in the cookware industry. So if you just want to order a small quantity for the first beginning trial order, you can try to be our agent, because you know CookerKing, our logo is a global logo. We can sell this logo in all over the world, and because we have to prepare some goods in the warehouse for our domestic market. So if you want to order a small quantity with the CookerKing brand, you can get the goods from our warehouse directly. Normally for OEM, we need to wait at least 62 months, 60 days for mass production. So if you have any interest in being our agent, please contact with us. And if you want to know more information about CookerKing, you could also visit our website. Of course, the best and easiest way to know more about our factory, about our products, is to contact with us. So see you next time. Bye.